what you miss the most is every day having that dal, rice, sabzi, and roti with dahi. Like that's what I used to have like every day afternoon. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you all, and welcome again once to the channel and to the vlog. I hope you guys are staying safe in this pandemic and are keeping well. And right now it's 9 a.m. here, and I'm just starting my day. So for today I thought of having I was reading some articles and watching some videos, and I thought that I should be starting my day with having ginger mint lemon and honey tea. Okay, so ginger mint lemon honey tea, basically just boiling all of these things in water. So what I have done is I have already added, if you can see, this is okay, my camera lens, yeah. So just water, and I have boiled ginger and mint leaves. I have boiled water with ginger and mint leaves. So this is almost done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it in glass and then add few fennel seeds. Fennel is nothing but saunf, and I'm going to let it sit for somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes. I have not added fennel here because I want like to chew the fennel. So if I just strain it, it will not be there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some fennel seeds, let the water sit for 3 to 4 minutes, add lemon and honey, and then going to drink it. Just something new I wanted to try, and all of these are really good for your stomach, so it's good to start the day with that. So let's have it. So I'll be having avocado toast for breakfast, but I wanted to have dal, rice, roti, sabzi kind of a thing. So usually I don't prepare like all of things. Either you prepare, like if you're staying alone, you prepare either the dal, or you prepare proper vegetable, and it's like either roti or like rice. But today I wanted to have dal and sabzi the way we used to have back in India. So what I'm doing is I'm preparing this dal. Okay, so what I have done is, I don't know whether you guys can see it or no. I can just, yeah. So what I have done is I have mixed tur dal along with moong dal, and I've added some spinach and normal sambar masala and everything. So this is the dal. I'm just going to pressure cook it. Okay, and why this is beeping is because I'm making baigan bharta. So for that I don't want to roast it the way you roast it on gas. So what I've done it, I have put it in the oven. I don't know whether that's going to work out or no. And as I'm talking, please excuse my look because I haven't taken shower yet. I'm just going to do that once all of this is done. Yeah, so it's still in process. If you can see, I'll set it up for some more time. So what I'll do is I'll quickly roast this or some more time. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll make baigan ka bharta, and I have already this dal with me which I'm preparing. I'll just pressure cook it up. Okay, and for breakfast right now I'm going to have a slice of 2 slices of bread, in fact. So I'll just get a shower, get done quickly, because I had some time between the meetings. I again have to get back to meeting, so I thought I'll just finish this cooking stuff first. Till the time it's cooking, I'll just take shower, get ready, and probably I don't think I'll have a late lunch with all of this preparation going on. But yeah, it's a kind of day where I wanted to have good home food like the way you have back in India. So that's what I'm preparing. Okay, again, since it's a weekday, Thursday, so too much work again today. But since I was telling you that I wanted to have home food, my food is ready. I can quickly show you what I have prepared. So this is baigan ka bharta, as it is called. Baigan is eggplant. It is not, I think it didn't get mashed properly. I think I have to just redo it. This is, I've prepared rice, and this is, I've prepared palak dal. So typical home food, because I believe home is where the food is, and I wanted to have a good spread of dal, rice and sabzi. So I prepared this, and fortunately I had baigan. I think I'm preparing this baigan bharta for the first time in my life, so I don't know how it will taste, but just the thought of it, I'm just going to put some ghee in dal. I'm going to have my lunch. Okay, so you guys must be wondering that, this girl, this is nothing but desi ghee, as you can see. So not every day, I don't eat it like, on a daily basis, but some days with such desi food, it is mandatory. Can you see? It's so homely. The plate itself looks so homely. There is rice, there is dal with desi ghee. I don't do it, trust me, every day, but today I just wanted to have desi ghee dal, and this is baigan ka bharta. And I'm going to enjoy it at my favorite place, enjoying the view outside. I can't express the feeling. It's the first time that I've made baigan bharta, and when you stay here in the US, I usually cook a lot of things, but what you miss the most is every day having that dal, rice, sabzi and roti with dahi. Like that's what I used to have like every day afternoon. Back in India, it becomes like, very cliche, same food every day. But here, since you don't make it on a like a daily basis, and I do cook like really yum food, but this is where the heart is. Loving it. So after having lunch and everything, I was working. I had to submit few reports in office, so I was working on those reports and everything. And after having that dal rice, you get that dizzy feeling that you just want to sleep, but I could not, because I was obviously working first for my office and then for graduate admissions as well. And right now, since it's Thursday, I have a class today, I was telling you guys. So I am just attending this class. So I just switched off my camera to just show you guys. So right now, as you all know, like it's a Zoom session. So I have just muted
by about 118 billion. But without increasing taxes.
Okay, so that's how, Zoom classes. I'm assuming that, all the students who are studying, you guys also have like Zoom classes. Right now I've just shut my camera on just to show you all glimpse of the classes being going on. So I have a class that goes on till 7:30. Right now it's 6 o'clock. And after that, since it's Thursday, so Thursday, ideally Friday is the last day of the week, which is like the weekend comes on Friday. But from Thursday evening onwards, we start celebrating weekend, because Fridays are not so heavy. And on top of it, Friday, there are like no classes, nothing. So I am going out to meet few friends. And because I got a call in the morning that you have to like come, we are meeting and things like that. It's Thursday, weekend is already here, so that's the plan. I'll be going out. I don't know what we have planned to do, but I'm just going out to meet them. And yes, tomorrow is vaccination day, so I'm getting my first vaccine tomorrow, so stay glued for that as well. So after a very heavy day, like too much of work and everything, as I told you, it's Thursday and we are planning to go to a friend's place. I was super sleepy because I had a class that got over at 7:30, and right now it's 8:30. But yeah, we are meeting some friends, so I'm just getting ready and I don't know what's the plan. But usually on weekends, like you go to somebody's place, somebody or the other's place, and then you chill out, have some good food, and talk about, sometimes make plans also what you have to do, because it's going to be summer here, and summer is the time wherein usually people go out and want to explore, because it's not so chilly and it's not snowing, so you can actually be in comfortable clothes and explore areas. So I'm all set and ready, and it's 7 degrees outside, so that is why again I have to come with my sweatshirt, or have like something which is a little thicker, because till yesterday it was like somewhere around 18-19 degrees, so you can just roam around in a t-shirt. But from today it's raining also and it's 7 degrees, so you have to get things going. I'll just call the Uber and then get set go. Hey, hi guys, so I'm back home right now. It's I think 12:45, yeah, 12:30, not 12:30, 45, 12:30 right now. Back home, the party is never over. Actually, it's still going on. I have office tomorrow, so that is why I'm back home. I'm just going to change and go to bed, maybe like watch something on YouTube or read something, and then probably go to bed. Tomorrow I have to wake up early, finish my work, also like spend I have to go to take vaccine, which is like 30 minutes from here. It's in the city. So that's also going to take time. So pretty busy day tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends. And if there is anything specific you want me to talk about my journey to US, or in general in about US, you want me to talk about, so do let me know and I'll create a video on it. This is Aishwarya signing off. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.